Come take my hand.
Shorty,
You should go and love yourself. He will never be satisfied, satisfied.
Can't hold us down.
Come take my hand. I won't let you go. I'll be your friend. I will love you so deeply. I will be the one to kiss you at night. I will love you until the end of time. Oh, baby, promise not to let you go. Love you like crazy. Now say you'll never let me go.
Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go.
Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go. Say you'll never let me go.
I can't get him out of my mind. Think about the boy all the time.
Yeah.
Baby, come on, get up on it. Show me that you really wanna. I wanna
I
be
like
the
the way
one to
you
love
work
you, baby. Let's go.
You don't have to worry about me. Think about the boy all the time.
Baby, you should go and love yourself.
No diggity, no doubt.
For all those times that you made me feel small. I fell in love, now I feel nothing at all.
I gotta back it
And all
up.
those times you told me my opinion was wrong.
No doubt.
And tried to make me forget where I came
You'll
from.
never be
My mama don't like
satisfied.
you and she likes everyone. And I never like to admit that I was wrong. But I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm better sleeping on my own. If you like the way you look that much, then baby you should go and love yourself. I'll never forget the first time I saw your face. That I can hold it in the same something intelligent eyes and a hunger pain frame. And when you said hi, I forgot my dang name. Set my heart aflame, every part aflame. This is not a
You'll
game.
never be satisfied.
Can't hold
Yeah.
us down. He will never be satisfied. God, I hope you're satisfied.
This is for my girls all around the world.
He will never be satisfied.
Come across a man who don't respect your worth.
You should go and love yourself.
Take a deep breath and say it loud.
God, I hope you're satisfied.
Never can, never will.
Can't hold us down.
Never can, never will.
Can't hold us down.
This is for my girls all around the world. Come across a man who don't respect your worth. Thinking all women should be seen and heard. So what do we do, girls?
Shout out loud, letting them know we're gonna stand our ground. So lift your hand high and wave it proud. Take a deep breath and say it loud.
Never can, never will.
Can't hold us down. Say you'll never let me go.
I like the way you work it.
Baby, I've been moving on. Satisfied, satisfied.
Can't hold us down.